What makes you think you cannot do? A PK seller. I have Rolls Royce, I have Bentley, I have Maybach, I have all these cars packed. I don't even drive them. You can do it. Say, I can do it. I can do it. You need to take risk and invest the capital. So investment, that's where you take the risk and you are different from other colleagues who are looking at their bank statements every month.
Or imparting the knowledge that he has acquired. I say if you are no Bentley say this bani nyina nya Japadie. What say Japadie ni say as a man you need to identify what we call business. Who identify where you need to weigh the risk. A be a 70-30, 70-30. It will say be a positively 70, negative 30. Then you start making plans. How do I negate the 30%? Hello, hi, Xposed GHFM Ben Bruce. Subscribe, share, the two man now Saka. The future president of 2028, I come channel my started share. Yera Kennedy Agyapong. Akopreko, ye kaso bi kopreko a. Ojina na nem no akono agene man. Ti na fa akopreko no me kira wase. Onam na nyese onam kwa. Nyese onam no girls there be. Onam na all impacting knowledge into the youth. Yes. Also in life, so when taking risks, you can never make it. And in life, so sika our bank na de bia ya ma bank balance. Now here him now sre a unko wanim da. Ye kwati honorable bra.
What makes you think you cannot do it? A PK seller. I have Rolls Royce, I have Bentley, I have Maybach, I have all these cars packed. I don't even drive them. You can do it. Say, I can do it. I can do it. But not just saying you can do it. You can do it. The dint of hard work, honesty, ability to save. And when you accumulate capital, some people, Prof was describing, they are afraid to take risk. So the money will be sitting in the bank. Every month when they get their balance, they are so excited. They are not going to do well. You need to take risk and invest the capital. So investment, that's where you take the risk and you are different from other colleagues who are looking at their bank statements every month, thinking they have money, because they are comfortable to be civil servant for the rest of their lives. And I know those of you here, they want to be civil servants. That's why you are here to listen. You want to be owners of businesses. You want to be CEOs. You want to be captains and giants of industries. That is why you are here. And that makes you an exceptional human being. Clap for yourself. You know, you might not take it seriously, but go back to your dormitories, your homes, and reflect soberly all the nonsense the speakers we have said to you. And you see that in real life, it makes a lot of sense.
If I told you my dear friend, statesman, you can say statesman now, and you'll be a what bobra or bodu baby and the knowledge, you know, or pass it on to the next generation. Because when you say the next generation, they are the future leaders. And now make us say, and you be now honorable Canadian for oil, or imparting the knowledge that he has acquired. I say if you are no Bentley say this bani nyina nya Japadie. What say Japadie ni say as a man, you need to identify what we call business. Who identify where you need to weigh the risk. A be a 70-30, 70-30. It will say be a positively 70, negative 30. Then you start making plans. How do I negate the 30% so that I can have full access to the business? But how do you identify even a business? Normally, a idea obi kwani maho. People in life who make it in life, who tell me here, they go what we call virgin businesses. Virgin business nya make us or buy young born and na make or wadwin ye. Me patch say business and I feel beer in Kofonko. That's why we call it a virgin business. Those are the things which makes man man. Number two, my advice. Salary is what we call an imprisonment. Salary. It's used by companies to imprison you so that you wouldn't be like them. Because every man be a mitiauka. You wouldn't even have the motive, say, let me also go out and try. After all, failure is part of life. Success is part of life. If you don't put out what we call the abani and the chief fish now, how do you know if you catch fish or not? It's in your honorable Kennedy Agyapong say, in life, you need to take risk. When taking risk now, that means you are dumb. Because risk takers are the achievers of this world. Obia wa Chivibia in this world has taken risk. I can name them, all of them. Even Elon Musk, Bill Gates now. When they started, they didn't know the end. They took risks. Today, look at them, they are billionaires. Ghana, at the end of the risk. And nothing that most of our business people know, up to China, normally, but they don't want to risk to venture into businesses. Meanwhile, we have a whole lot of things in Ghana that we can manufacture and employ people, but we don't want to do it. Either we are lazy or we are not risk takers. It's why I wish I'm a personal risk taker. Because we are risk taker, that is the only time that you can be what? Successful. Agrada, then you were here. I say, Mammy, we minimo. Here, unim, are you papa more nyansa? Are you kunu Jimmy Fua, Jimmy and Quene about him? Agrada worry a CMA, young man, but our chest he has brains. Agrada say, I find Joyce once in the end. News on the ground, you say, Yampo, you're finding to the end.
Hello, keep watching Expo GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.